Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I pre-poo my hair in order to prep it for washing. I normally use hot oil in pre-pooing my hair, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. You'll be needing all this to heat up your oil. First, pour some hot water into an empty bowl and take your already mixed oil and place it in the bowl. You can make use of any oil of choice. You don't have to mix the oils like I'm doing. Just use the oil that works best for you. Then you cover the bowl with a towel for added heat. When you find out that the oil is hot enough to your taste, you can then pour the oil into your applicator bottle. So if you think that mixing the oil in the bowl and heating it up and then turning it into the applicator bottle is stressful, you can actually heat up the oil in the applicator bottle directly. You don't need to use an extra bowl. You can actually just mix the oil in the applicator bottle and then put it in the hot water directly. Whichever case, it still works well. In the process of pre-pooing your hair and you find out that your already heated oil is getting cold, you can always reheat it using the same method I just showed you. So it's as simple as that. So guys, I'm ready to show you guys how I pre-poo my hair. But first of all, I'm going to be taking down this ugly looking braids I have on right now before we get to the business of the day, guys. So I've been getting a lot of questions as to why pre-poo is really important in a wash day. I'm going to be getting into telling you guys how important it is in a bit while I lose my hair. Don't mind my craziness. I'm really freaked out about hair length. Just look at how my hair is dry and dirty, guys. So right now I'm going to be dividing my hair into 4. Don't mind me, I don't know what was 4. I had to say 8. So I've divided my hair into 4 and I'll be starting with the back section. So I further divide the back sections into like 3 or 4, just like you see me doing here. And then I first of all go in with my warm water. So before now I had already mixed warm water into my spray bottle. So I go in with my warm water in order to make the hair a little bit damp, because remember, you do not detangle your hair when it's dry. So you try to make it damp a bit, not soaking wet but damp. So I do this, then I go in with my oil, my already heated oil. Then I first of all detangle the ends of my hair. I usually detangle the ends of my hair because so my hands can slide through very well. Make sure the oil, you have a generous amount of oil at the tips of your hair because that's the oldest part of your hair. Then if you're okay with the amount of oil in each section, you then start massaging your hair and then detangle. See the way I detangle, starting from the tips of my hair. You do that so that when you go back to the roots, coming down, it will be very easy. You will not have those kind of knots or So I now go back to my roots. You see how easy it is to detangle. I actually fast forward this video, so you might think I'm rushing, but I'm actually detangling my hair very gently. So do this gently until your hands can glide through your hair strands without any glitch. I don't know if you understand. Glide through the glitch. Oh my god, Jane, and your English. So forget about me, just try your best to detangle just like you see me do here. And after I'm done with that section, I twist it in. I twist that section up and move on to the next section. So I'm gonna stop talking now so you can just follow the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, guys. Pre-poo is a very important step we must all follow before every wash day. I repeat guys, must all follow before every wash day in order to infuse moisture and protect our hair strands prior to shampooing. It's actually good to use penetrating oils which can easily absorb into our hair strands like coconut oil or olive oil. It's really good, it's really helpful guys. And pre-pooing with oil is actually better for length retention guys, if you want to retain more length, because it actually protects the strength and elasticity of our hair in the long run. You know, our hair tends to lose elasticity because water over time makes our hair follicles swell, thereby weakening the hair. So by pre-pooing your hair with oils, and hot oils for that matter, you help protect the strength and elasticity of your hair. If you want, so to all of you guys that have been asking me if pre-poo is actually important, my dear, it is very, very important. If you want your hair to retain length, and if you want to protect the elasticity and strength of your hair strands, if you equally want to infuse moisture and protect your hair strands before you shampoo your hair, it is so good to pre-poo your hair guys. I can't emphasize it again. It is good to pre-poo your hair before you wash your hair. So I'm almost done pre-pooing half of my head and I've twisted them. So I'm back again to show you guys how I pre-poo it. So remember, I divide the hair into smaller sections. As you can notice that my twists are actually smaller, because I realized that detangling my hair in smaller sections actually helps my hair a lot. But if you don't have the time, or if you think, you know, detangling your hair in big sections works for you, just do you guys. So remember, I spray my hair with warm water in order to make the hair damp, and I start with the tips guys. I add the oil to my hair. Make sure to get the oil to the roots of your hair, then on your hair strands also, and then equally to the tips of your hair, which is the oldest part of your hair, because that is really important. Then you massage the oil into your hair strands. Detangle gently, starting from the tips to the roots guys, until your hand can freely pass through your hair. So detangle gently, just like you see me do here. So you see that when you detangle your hair properly, your hands and that's my tired face guys. My hands were killing me. Oh my god, the things we do for natural hair guys, god. But I really can't trade my hair for anything. I love my hair like that. I can't trade it for nothing, nada. Oh my. All I was saying here was that the hair on my scalp is like grass, so you know, that's why I'm actually detangling my hair very, very in tiny sections. But if you don't have this kind of problem, if you don't have this thick full hair, you can always detangle your hair in bigger sections. But my hair, the hair on my scalp, like, it's really tiny, and I usually have lots of tangles there, so I cannot detangle in big sections. But if you can, do you guys? I was freaking tired. Oh my god, I couldn't. Oh my god, I'm so done, guys. I'm done detangling my hair. I'm done with the pre-poo with the hot treatment oil on my hair. And yes, finally, guys. So now I'm going to look at that twist, guys. Oh my god, I'm still loving my hair, so moisturized. And yeah. So right now I'm going to take my shower cap and cover my hair with my shower cap, and after that I wear my satin bonnet and it's off to bed. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys all. Please don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, share with your family and friends, and see you all in my next videos, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.